Google Bard and ChatGPT are some of the most popular AI chatbots in the market, capable of generating text, translating languages, and answering questions. While they share similarities, there are notable differences between the two. Additionally, Google Bard has recently received significant upgrades that make it a more powerful competitor to ChatGPT. In this video, we explore the key differences between Bard and ChatGPT and highlight the recent enhancements that have made Bard a standout choice for users. Here are 10 comparisons between Google Bard and ChatGPT. Whether you're a developer, a language enthusiast, or simply looking for a versatile chatbot, this comparison will provide valuable insights into the unique strengths of each platform. So let's dive in and discover what sets Google Bard and ChatGPT apart from each other. 1. Pricing. Bard is currently available for free, offering users unrestricted access. On the other hand, ChatGPT provides two options, including a free service and a paid service, introducing a financial aspect for users to consider. 2. Programming language support. Bard now offers support for more than 20 programming languages, making it an ideal choice for developers and technology enthusiasts. However, ChatGPT is believed to support over 50 languages, providing a broader range of language options. 3. Internet connectivity. Bard now has the ability to access the internet, enabling users to utilize real-time information and receive summaries of news events. ChatGPT has no access to the internet currently, and we are not sure yet when this will be available. 4. Integration with plugins. Bard offers seamless integration with various plugins, granting immediate access to popular applications such as Spotify, Walmart, Indeed, Uber Eats, Adobe Firefly, and all Google apps, expanding its range of functionalities. 5. Language model. Google Bard and ChatGPT differ in their training models. Bard is trained on Lambda, a conversational model, while ChatGPT is trained on GPT Transformer for language generation. Bard's training specifically emphasizes dialogue tasks, making it adept at interactive conversations. In contrast, ChatGPT has a broader language understanding and generation capability, allowing it to handle a wide range of textual tasks beyond dialogue. 6. Enhanced image support. Bard now includes support for images, enriching its responses with visual content to provide a more engaging experience. This feature is only available to ChatGPT Plus users. 7. Voice interaction. Users have the option to interact with Bard using their voice, further enhancing the overall user experience and convenience. This feature is not available with ChatGPT. 8. Exporting capabilities. Bard enables users to export their results directly to Gmail or Google Docs, facilitating seamless integration with their workflow. No direct integrations or exporting with ChatGPT yet. 9. Integration with Google Search and Gmail. Bard seamlessly integrates with Google Search, providing comprehensive information and streamlining the research process. Additionally, it integrates with Gmail, making communication and collaboration effortless. 10. UI, UX. In terms of user interface and experience, there are some notable differences between ChatGPT and Bard. ChatGPT offers distinct chat instances, allowing users to have multiple separate conversations simultaneously. On the other hand, Bard features a single monolithic chat, where all conversations are combined into one continuous session. What to choose between Google Bard and ChatGPT? When making a decision, it's advisable to try out both Google Bard and ChatGPT to experience their functionalities firsthand. Assess how well each chatbot meets your specific requirements and aligns with your workflow. Consider factors such as pricing, language support, internet connectivity, integrations, mobile support, and user experience. Ultimately, the right choice will depend on your unique needs and the specific features that matter most to you.